river house is located in Pathum Thani province, which is in the northern part of Bangkok. The plot has a panoramic view of the scenic river bend of the Chao Phraya River. Owners need a vacation house like a family clubhouse for relaxation, parties, and sports activities. Moreover, there are requirements for a riverside pavilion and soccer field in the future expansion area, including 3 houses for sons and daughters. The owners have various requirements for the main house composed of first service and sports activities areas such as storage, kitchen, indoor supercar parking, fitness, table tennis, badminton court, golf simulator, the relax area including grand living and dining room, large swimming pool with terrace, lounge, and home theater, and the last part sleeping area, 5 bedrooms for sons and daughter, and riverside master bedroom for parents. for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.